Hello guys, good day and welcome to my channel. This is a video tutorial guide on how to participate on the MITOSIS.org testnet. Alright, it is very easy to do. All you have to do is to connect your wallet and complete some tasks in order to position for the MITOSIS airdrop. You can check out other videos on my channel, especially on the Testnet Airdrop playlist, where I share different tutorial guides on how to participate on different other testnet airdrop opportunities. Okay. Now to begin, you will need a miETH browser. If you are doing this on your mobile device, you need a miETH browser, and also you need to install MetaMask extension on the miETH browser so that you can participate on this testnet and other testnet in future. Okay. So once that is done, you need to click on connect wallet in order to register. Just copy the link or click the link in the description of this video, testnet.mitosis.org, and then click on connect wallet. And then you click on MetaMask since you already have MetaMask installed in your wallet. So once you click on that, you're supposed to direct you to log in your MetaMask extension, okay? And then I will unlock my wallet. I will click on next and confirm this. Okay. Then I will need to confirm that again. And then I will need to confirm this to switch from Ethereum mainnet to Sepolia. This is the Ethereum testnet. This is the network for Ethereum testnets. Okay. So I'll click on switch. Now this is the last sign-in I'll need to do to confirm my sign-in on this MITOSIS website. Just click on sign in. Now that you have connected your wallet, the next thing you should do is to click on this icon at the top left corner here, which is the menu, to bring out the menu on this website. Once you click on it, you click on my page. Okay. You need to click on my page. Once you are here, the next thing you need to do is to click on referral. You can see referral here. Click on referral and input the referral code. You can find mine in the description of this video. It is important that you put this code before you start the task so that you can get a referral reward. All right. So the referral code is QSW4MF. Okay. Once you input this code, click on submit. Okay, click on submit. At this point, if you want to refer anyone, you can use your code. Just click on copy code and your referral code will be copied. You give it to anybody that wants to register so that they can also register. All right. Now that is done. The next step is to return to the menu section and then click on Faucets. Look at Faucets here, the first option. All right. Click on Faucets. This is where you need to claim faucet so that you will use to interact on the website. Okay. From here, you click on active faucet. Active faucet. And then the next thing you need to do is to connect your social account. You need to connect your Twitter and connect your Discord. Once you're done connecting your social media, which is your Twitter and your Discord, everything will be text green. All right. You can see my wallet is connected. My social media is connected. And this eligibility criteria might not be showing you green after you are done, but don't worry. After some few days, it will take as green for you. Even if it does not take green, there is no problem. There is no need to worry. All right. And then once you have connected your social media, which is your Twitter and Telegram, the next thing is for you to claim your faucets. This faucet is just like is test token. All right. They will give you some amount of Ethereum, some amount of USDT, but these are not the real token. They are just test token in order for you to use and interact with the network. Okay. So that is one of the tasks we're going to be completing. So in order for you to do that, just come here and click on claim daily token. You claim this daily token and then you scroll down again and then you claim this, the second one, the daily token. You claim twice every day. You can only claim, once a day on each of them. This particular one here, which is the main faucet, you will be giving MITO, Ethereum, and USDT. And then the second one, bonus faucet, you will also claim miLBTC, Ethereum, USDT, and USDe. Okay, so this is just the basic task you need to do. Once you are done claiming it, Once you are done claiming it, the next task for you to complete is to come on the menu section again, click on EOL opt-in. Okay, EOL opt-in. I'll click on EOL opt-in, wait for that to load, then opt in your assets to work on EOL. This is the next task you need to do. You scroll down, I'll click on Ethereum. I'll select Ethereum. Now, those test tokens that they gave you, the test tokens they gave you are on Ethereum network. All right. So you need to opt in, which is like bridge the token into MITOSIS network so that you can use it to perform tasks on the MITOSIS network. Okay. This is what you need to do here. Then I'll click on EOL opt-in. Look at it here. Click on that. I want to opt in Ethereum. From here, you can see that I have 0.0034 Ethereum on my wallet. Okay. So I want to opt them into the MITOSIS network. This is just like bridging. I want to bridge the faucet they gave me on Ethereum. I want to bridge it into EOL, into MITOSIS network. I will click on max. Now, one thing, just to clarify this thing for you, the amount of Ethereum they gave you is usually very small, 0.001 per day. So on the first day, you might not be able to opt it into MITOSIS network because it is too small and they are going to charge you fees from that token that they gave you. So you might need to do this for like 2 days or 3 days before you can actually opt in. Okay. So let me try if I can actually do this opt-in here. I will click on opt-in. This is supposed to bring out my wallet for me to confirm the transaction. Okay, here it is. Spending cap request for your Ethereum. I'll click on next and then I'll click on approve. You can see it here. Maximum fee is 0.019 Ethereum. I don't think if I have enough Ethereum to cover for that gas fee. Okay, I actually do. But yours might not work on the very first day. So you might need to claim this Ethereum, the faucet on this testnet for like 2 days or 3 days before you can finally be able to claim this, to perform this task. Okay, I need to confirm it on my wallet. Spending, you have estimated charges 0.00341. Okay. Okay, I will go ahead and confirm the transaction. Processing source chain transaction. So I have done the EOL opt-in here. So I just need for this to be moved from my Ethereum wallet to my MITOSIS network, from Ethereum network to MITOSIS network, so that I'll be able to perform other tasks. Okay. So once this is done, you can see that my Ethereum wallet is empty now, less than 0.0001. See, I don't have anything in my Ethereum wallet again. It has been moved to my MITOSIS network. The Ethereum they gave me has been moved to my MITOSIS network. Now we need to move to the second, to the next stage of this testnet. You will come to the menu section again, and then you click on dApps, decentralized applications. Now we need to do some swapping. Okay, I'll click on dApps, and then I will click on Chromo. I will switch this from Clover to Chromo at the top here. I'll click on Chromo. Okay, this Chromo is like a decentralized exchange. This is where I will come to do my swapping of the MITOSIS Ethereum I just got. So I will click on website. You can see website here. I'll click on website. This will take me to you can see the site app.chromo.exchange. This is where I need to come to perform some tasks. So I'll wait for this to okay, so I'll wait for this to load up. One thing about testnet is that they have just these are projects that are building something. All right, whatever they are building, all you need to do is to help them test whatever they are building, so that they will know if there's an error or if there's any place they need to improve. So once I am here on the Chromo exchange, the first thing I should do is to connect my wallet. Remember, you are using the same wallet that you used to register on the MITOSIS website. Okay, I'll click on MetaMask. Look at it at the bottom here. MetaMask. I will connect. Connection failed. Try again. And then approve. Okay. So I am now I am now connected. Then I will select token to make my swap. I'm looking for Ethereum. I should have my Ethereum here because that is what I breached in the previous task. Okay. So let me see. Okay, it seems I am yet to receive the Ethereum, either due to network congestion, but once you have done the previous task, the next thing is to come here and you, after some time, you will see your miETH here. Now, all you need to do is just to keep swapping. All right. Swap from miETH to miUSDe, swap from miUSDe to any other token you find here. Just swap your miETH between all these tokens. Keep swapping. The more time you swap, the more volume you accumulate, the more your chances of getting an airdrop. Swap your miETH because once you come here, you are going to get miETH in your wallet. Swap from miETH to WMITO. From WMITO, swap to miUSDT. From miUSDT, swap to miUSDe. By the time you are done, swap it back to miETH. All right. So it's just for you to keep swapping. The more time you swap, the more volume you have, the more they keep recording that you are participating on their platform, the more your chances of getting an airdrop once they decide to launch. All right. So I'm not able to do this now because of the network congestion. I am yet to receive the miETH that I swapped into my wallet. Okay. But once that comes, of course, I'll keep doing it on my own end. And you should also do it at your own end too. So do not forget the process of doing it, of participating on this airdrop. Connect your wallet, come to the menu section and go to my page. From the my page here, you are going to come to referral and add a referral link. Okay. Add a referral link, and then after adding your referral link, come to the menu section and go to Faucets again. When you are on Faucets, link other social accounts like your Twitter and your Telegram. Once you have done that, then you go to Faucets, claim Faucets daily, migrate the search Faucets from Ethereum to MITOSIS network. From there, you go to the Chromo exchange and swap your Ethereum as much as possible. And once all of that is done for the day, that means you are done for the day. This is all you need to do on the MITOSIS testnet. All right. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Do not forget to check out other airdrop tutorial videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye for now.